You learn something new every day. He just started the car. These guys are showing you how to start your car if your keys fall down the drain. Good joke. Very good joke. Imagine if that energy were put into a job. You trying to joke, but that shit smart as hell. If you're interested, beware of the ones with screwdrivers tattooed on the arm. If you know, you know. Okay, I'm not going to that part of Texas. If I see somebody with a screwdriver on their arm, get the stay 10 feet back. Bro can't use tools, what the fuck? The car just started, bitch. Trying to joke. You were struggling with the vice grips. Had them joints on back, didn't know how to work. Bro, the car started. The fuck? But the car started, though. I ain't gonna respond to that bitch. What? Saying he's too young. Missed the part where his homeboy was allowing him to do it as long as he didn't mess up his truck. He was being gentle so he could put it back together when he was done. Ask the guy if he knows the alphabet. Ask Floyd Mayweather to say the alphabet. This took too long. You need to be in and out of the driveway in 30 seconds. Listen. That wasn't too long. You know that people be in the house or they be in the stores for a little bit. They be in the shopping longer than that. So that was quick enough. Shit. And he did that shit slowly. Now imagine if that nigga was under pressure. Get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, what's he doing? Oh shit. Fucking motherfucker, goddamn. Hell no. Activities. The letter Y, the letter T, activities. YouTube, white people, activities. They're like, it's fun though. Of course, Lamborghini is trying to promote their Temerario. Niggas don't like this shit because I think it's a V6. And they're like, how you go from a V8 to a V6? And niggas like me like, I don't know the difference between a V8 and a V6 as long as the car move. I be like, y'all hating on the shit? But goddamn. Atlanta's different. Asian people from it, uh-oh. Okay. Michael Jackson was so happy Chris. Hey. Michael Jackson is so fucking different, bro. Cause you can listen to Michael Jackson and try not to dance, bro. Michael Jackson be vibing. I'ma get money as nigga. I ain't chasing shit unless it's money or liquor. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we got LeBron in this bitch. Got LeBron. God damn that shit. Hey, I gotta wind that shit back. Wind that shit back. Nigga took off from the free throw. Yeah. Space Jam type shit in real life. Damn. Like and repost. Like and repost. Like and repost. I don't know who the fuck this dude is. First date idea. I take a loan out in your name. Imagine meeting a bitch like that. Imagine you meet a bitch so goddamn rich. She be like, what you need? I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to do this. Here go the Cash App. What if a bitch Cash App you $1 million on the first date and you go buy a fucking house and shit? That's what I'm trying. All right, is the ass real or is the ass fake? On this segment of BBLs, that ass perfect, baby. I'm just trying to see. I don't know. That shit might be. Oh shit, that shit homegrown. I don't know. Are the proportions hitting? Are the proportions hitting? Is it proportionate? I used to teach math and geometry. Is it proportionate? Shit. He be like, I don't give a damn. Look good. Is that shit might be real, bro? That shit might be real. It cause it ain't perfect, but that shit like, damn, that shit might, you know what I'm saying? That shit might be alright. Here go this pretty ass bitch. I told you she keep posting this shit. She got a man's and shit, but she posts these random ass visuals every goddamn. Alright, she's trying to work out. Give her props for trying to work out. Oh, she vlogging and shit. She working on her vlog. Is this a top tier vlog? I don't know. If she was ugly, would I watch it? I'm like, bored man walking in circles in the snow. Oh shit. Can you see all the fucking stuff?